Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Nikki here. So today I have a different kind of video. I'm not wearing any makeup in this video. I wanted to do more of a skincare, how to feel beautiful without makeup, or how to look pretty without makeup. Now I want you guys to take this with a pinch of salt, because you don't need makeup to look beautiful. Beautiful for me is what makes me feel good. Is when I'm feeling good, when I'm feeling confident, and then that radiates throughout. And I honestly believe that. But I do love skincare. I feel like when I've got good skincare, my skin's looking good, I feel super confident. So I wanted to share little tips and tricks that I do to make me feel good about myself with you guys. So if you want to see what they are, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, I'm having one of those days. I thought we would sit down together because I'm having one of those days that we all probably have, where I just don't feel cute. I want to feel cute, but I don't want to put any makeup on. I just want my skin to glow, and I always feel like doing a little bit of skincare. Let's do a bit of skincare together, and it might just pick me up. Now you guys know that I love the FOREO Luna 2. I've been loving that silicone baby, and I use her daily. Well, welcome the new addition to the family. This is the FOREO Luna 3. She's a beauty. Not only is she a beauty, she has a cleansing side, and she also has a firming, rigid side to help tackle fine lines and wrinkles, everything that's up my street, because I need all the help that I can get. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that I love looking after my skin. I do skincare videos every single week, and it just makes me feel confident. If my skin is looking beautiful under makeup or without makeup, I just feel super confident. Now when it comes to products, I always look for products that are squeaky clean feeling. Like, I like my skin to feel like it's really cleansed, like deeply cleansed, and the Luna 3 does that. It actually does that, but it's super gentle, so I can use her daily. And also, she's Chrissy Teigen's favorite. Now for cleansing, I'm going to start off just by dampening all of my skin. I'm then going to apply a little bit of cleanser onto my Luna 3. Now I actually have the normal skin one, but you do have 3 different models. It depends on your skin type as to which one you would want to go for. And once I've applied the cleanser, I'm going to switch her on, and then I'm going to cleanse my skin in circular motions. So just moving from my cheeks to my forehead, up and down my nose. I'm going to make sure that I'm getting into every single nook and cranny, just to make sure that I'm really deeply cleansing. This is going to be especially really good if you guys are working out. It gets rid of that sweat and that dirt that can settle into the pores and cause blemishes. It's just going to help you remove all of that junk. Once you're done cleansing it super quick, I'm then just going to remove this, just wipe off the excess. And then I'm also going to run my Luna 3 underneath the tap just to clean her as well. Now that my skin is feeling super clean, not only does the Luna 3 have a cleansing side, it also has like a firming, massaging side that I said earlier is going to help tackle the fine lines and wrinkles, and also give you that added glow. So I'm going to start off just by applying a little bit of serum onto the face. I'm now just going to finish off with a little bit of eye cream. We're going to pop this on to our ring fingers to make sure that I'm super gentle, and I'm just going to massage this actually all around my under eye and on top of my eyes as well. I've scooched up a little bit because I'm actually using my phone. I'm using the FOREO app for the massage treatment. Now I'm going to show you guys that you can change the intensity if you want on this app as well. I like the intensity to be around a 10, just because that's my personal preference. But for now, I'm going to go on to massage treatments. Now you can see that there are different massage treatments that they supply. You've got Eyes on the Prize, which is like a firming eye and brow massage. You've also got Nothing But the Neck, which is awesome, tighten and firm your neck. And you've got Contour Crazy as well as Magic Mouth. I think what I'm going to go for today is going to be Eyes on the Prize, because it's 2 minutes, and who doesn't like a quick massage treatment, but also because I do have fine lines under the eyes, and it's going to help reduce that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start my treatment, and then I'm going to follow what she has on screen. You're going to see a little lady, and she's going to talk to you, and I'm going to be quiet throughout, and she's going to guide me through the massage treatment.
Start by placing Luna 3 on each part of the eye contour for 2 seconds at a time. Then glide the device from the inner corner of the under eye outwards towards the temples.
So my skin naturally is quite dull looking, it's quite dehydrated, but when I use this product, oh my gosh, does it give me a glow, which I absolutely love. My skin just looks really, really healthy. It's also, I just want to share this one last thing with you guys. It's also got this really cool feature. It's called Find My Luna. Now, I ain't even gonna lie, I wish I had this feature on my keys, on my purse, because I'm always losing them. So what you're gonna do is go into the app and then just tap Find My Luna, and then wherever your Luna is, which don't you think is super, super cool if you misplace it as well. Something that I also like to do if I'm wearing not a scrap of makeup is add a strobing cream. This means that it could be anything with that kind of iridescence to it. You could also use like a liquid highlighter if you want. And what I like to do is just apply this to the high points of the face. So when I move, it just catches the light and gives me like a really, really healthy, shiny, dewy glow. Let's just quickly brush through the brows. I like to do this. My brows are naturally quite full, but when you've popped on like serum and eye cream and stuff, sometimes you just need to clean it through. So I like to just brush them up. I'm also going to give my lashes a little bit of a curl. I find that when I'm not wearing any mascara, this is just going to help open up the eyes. It makes such a big difference. I'll show you guys. It just opens up the eyes. Even if your eyelashes aren't tinted or you haven't got any color on them, it will still fan your lashes out. And then of course I'm gonna finish off with a lip balm. I personally prefer the ones that look super, super glossy on the lips. It's just a personal preference. I like the pouty kind of juicy lip look. So I'm just gonna pop this on. And then just to finish off, I'm going to spritz a little bit of body spray. I love anything that smells fruity. I like to spray it everywhere. I spray it in my hair, on my clothes, on my neck. I just like to smell really good. And that, guys, brings me to the end of the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Let me know what your skincare routine is down below. Do you also want to see more videos like this? Let me know down below. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram. I'll leave the link also down below so you can follow me for daily content there. And until then, I love you guys so very much, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.